Okay, so first in the experiments on radioactivity, I'm here in the school staff room kitchen for one very good reason. There's a microwave here, so I'm going to show you something in a moment that's important. Now remember in the PowerPoint we were looking at Rutherford's experiment, and he had two lab assistants, one called Geiger and one called Marsden. Now Geiger went on to make a prototype for this device, which is called a Geiger-Muller Tube. This will detect ionizing radiation. If I take off the plastic cap, this is not to do anything else except protect this shiny window that I've got here, which is called mica. And this is very, very thin ceramic window. Inside the tube I have a gas and I have a metal cylinder around the outside, and inside this tube I have one bit of wire. Between the wire and the metal tube there's a potential difference. So if any ionizing radiation enters, usually through the window here, the mica window, because it's very thin, and it ionizes a particle of gas that's in the tube, that particle will be attracted because of the potential difference. It will be attracted towards, for example, the electron will be attracted towards the positive electrode, and the ionized atom will get a positive charge that will be attracted towards the negative electrode. And this tiny amount of current created by the electron and the ion moving in opposite directions is counted as one count. So one ionization inside this tube gives us one count. Now I'm going to set this up to start off, and it's going to be pointing upwards. Okay, so I'm going to be detecting ionizing radiation that's entering the Geiger-Muller tube from above. Why from above? Because soon I'm going to put radioactive material. Put my phone onto silence please. I'm going to be putting a radioactive isotope above it, so the position that it's going to be in when I do the experiment is going to be looking up. Okay? Not to say that there's more radiation coming from above us. There could be radiation coming from somewhere else in the room, which is something that we can look at later on. Now the way that this works is, I switch on this is a counter, and this is a Geiger-Muller tube. So this counter is going to detect the signal from the Geiger-Muller tube. Now, here I can vary the sensitivity. I'm going to set it to 600, because I always set it to 600 volts potential difference. Here I've got a speaker button, so it will make a click when it gets a detection.